Object-oriented programming. As I stated earlier, object-oriented programming is much easier in the TypeScript when we compare with the JavaScript, and it is more understandable also. Let us see a simple example. This is my TypeScript file. This code can easily understand by any programmer. I created a simple class. I created a simple class. Let us see the equivalent JavaScript one. This is what we need to define in the JavaScript. Tell me, sir, how many people can easily understand this code? No, it is not possible. Only experienced JavaScript programmer can understand that code. Now, class B extends class A. Now, I created another class which is reusing the A's logic. Now, let us see the equivalent JavaScript one. See, sir, this is the equivalent JavaScript one. I will give you 2 days time to understand this code. Tell me, sir, a fresher can understand this code? No. Experienced programmer only can understand this code. But what about this guy? We can easily understand this code. Means this one is easier, understandable, maintainable. What about this one? It is not.